Joe Busquets is back in Barcelona to join the Barcelona Athletics as the assistant manager. That's a very big role for Sergio Busquets coming back to Barcelona to start up a new chapter of his career, a new chapter, that is coaching role. You understand? I think it should be a very exciting news for all Barcelona fans, because we don't see another coach being formed in Barcelona, which is Sergio Busquets. Let's see if he's going to follow the footstep of Pep Guardiola, because La Masia graduate is always a La Masia graduate. You understand? We'll be hoping to see this guy progress in this assistant coach of Barca Athletics. Who knows? Maybe in the future he's going to be Barcelona coach. You understand? We just pray for his success there in this thing in Barca Athletics. Right now, Sergio Busquets is back in Barcelona, and we hope he does very well for Barcelona team in this Barcelona Athletics. You know, that is where we normally pick all these La Masia boys that is being promoted. He also is going to be manager that is going to be helping Barcelona to scout players, good players, to push them to the first team. So it's a very big one, and a very this thing, pleasant news for this guy to come back as a coach and in Barcelona. That's a very big one for us.